Okay, when you get to Kronos, you want to enter your Clemson username and password. Okay, so when you get into Kronos, this is what you're looking at. To punch in, the very first time you do this, if you've never done this on a computer before, you're going to need to come over here and hit the drop down menu. Notice where it's blue and highlighted. I've already done this, so I already have my transfer line there. But if you've never done this, all that you're going to see is search. So you'll hit search. Where it says add job transfer, you'll hit the drop down arrow, select locations, click this. If you have multiple jobs on campus, you might have to, there might be more options here. So you will click the Athletic Academic Services option. I'm no longer an hourly employee, so that's why mine doesn't say Athletic Academic Services. So you click here and you move it over to this side. Now you can see from my old student job where it says Clemson Athletics, Student Athletic Academic Services. So that's my only option here. Sometimes if you have multiple options, you'll have to move it over and then you'll have another option to move it over again. But you want to get it down to where you're only seeing Clemson Athletics, Student Athletic Academic Services. The only time this should get complicated is if you have multiple on-campus jobs. If you do that and you have issues, you can contact me or Christina and we can get on Zoom and walk you through it using the screen share feature. So I've got my job transfer line right there. I'm going to select that. Okay, and now it shows up here. So now there's two since I had already had one. So once you got your transfer line that shows up there, when you check in, only when you check in, you want to select that transfer line. And you want to hit record timestamp. Once you're done, you'll want to click sign out. You'll go do your tutoring appointment, you'll fill out your report, and then when you're done, you're going to come back to Kronos. So let me log in again. Okay, now I'm checking out. So whenever I check out, I want the transfer line to be blank. If you put your transfer line in here, it's going to double punch you. So make sure whenever you are checking out, there is no transfer line. To check out, you simply log back in, record timestamp, and sign out.